Imagine waking up one day and realizing that AI has become way too smart. Smarter than we ever anticipated. Elon Musk just released his latest AI model, Grok 3, and it's already raising some serious concerns. Experts are calling it the most advanced AI ever built. But here's the question, are we ready for this level of intelligence? Stick around because what you're about to hear might just change the way you think about AI forever. So, what is Grok 3? And what exactly are we dealing with here? Grok 3 is unlike anything we have seen before. It's faster, smarter, and more powerful than anything OpenAI, Google, or DeepMind have put out. But here's where it gets really interesting. It's not just another chatbot, it's designed to reason like a human, solve complex problems, and even think on its own in ways that are making experts nervous. At its core, Grok 3 is a massive leap from its predecessor, Grok 2. It's trained on 10 times the computing power, all housed inside a data center so powerful, it runs on 200,000 GPUs. To put that into perspective, that's enough processing power to simulate the entire human brain, but 1,000 times over. And that's not even the craziest part. Grok 3 doesn't just answer questions, it reasons. Unlike previous AI models that rely on pre-programmed responses, Grok 3 can actually break down problems step by step, just like any human would. At this point, here's where Grok 3 really starts to amaze you. It has two special features, Think Mode and Big Brain Mode. In Think Mode, you can literally watch Grok 3 reason through a problem step by step. But if you really want to see it go beyond human-like intelligence, that's where Big Brain Mode comes in. Big Brain Mode unlocks deeper reasoning skills, but here's the catch. It requires more processing power than any normal AI interaction. Some researchers believe this could be a step toward artificial general intelligence, meaning an AI that can think and learn on its own. So break it all down for you and we have an AI that's not only smarter than ever, but it's also starting to reason in ways we don't fully understand. And that is the moment everything starts to feel a little scary. Oh, and you want to know the irony of all this? Elon Musk has always been vocal about AI, warning about its dangers. Spending years telling us the potential dangers of AI and how it'll take all our jobs, and that it could be dangerous if left unchecked. He even compared it to summoning a demon, where any problem could arise in the blink of an eye. And after all that fear-mongering, what does he do? He casually drops Grok 3, one of the most advanced AI models ever. Like it's just another Tesla update. Classic Elon. With all of this in mind, let's talk numbers. Grok 3 has been tested against the top AI models out there, and we're talking about the big AI leaders out there like ChatGPT-4, DeepSeek, and Gemini. And it's beating them in key areas like logic, math, and reasoning. Not even just slightly, but by a lot. And it's not just reasoning, it's coding too. In live tests, Grok 3 is outperforming ChatGPT-4 in advanced programming challenges. Think about that, we've reached a point where AI is writing better code than humans. And now, AI experts are officially freaking out. Some are calling this a big breakthrough in artificial intelligence, while others are saying we're moving way too fast. Grok 3 isn't just catching up, it's pulling ahead. In internet tests, it has outperformed every major AI model in core reasoning and problem solving. Some experts believe it may have even surpassed human-level reasoning in certain areas, and here's where the real debate starts. Because if Grok 3 is already this smart, where does it stop? And more importantly, who's actually in control here? Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Should we be worried? Because while Grok 3 is undeniably impressive, it's also raising some serious red flags. And if history has taught us anything, it's that when technology advances too fast, things don't always end well. For years, Musk has been warning us that AI could spiral out of control, calling it a bigger threat than nuclear weapons. But now that he's created one of the smartest AI models ever, it's making people wonder. So what's the real plan here? Even governments are starting to panic. The European Union, the US, and China are all rushing to establish AI regulations, but here's the problem. AI isn't waiting for the paperwork to catch up, it's evolving right now. So what is one of the biggest concerns? Grok 3 is showing signs of self-learning. Unlike previous AIs that rely on human input for training, Grok 3 can analyze data and improve itself without needing us. That means the more we use it, the smarter it gets. This is what experts call the runaway AI problem. If an AI can continuously improve itself, at what point does it surpass our ability to control it? And once it does, what happens next? Musk has literally compared AI development to summoning a demon, and yet here we are, with him at the helm, creating one of the most advanced AI systems on the planet. But hey, what's the worst that could happen, right? The reality is, AI is already making decisions that impact our world. It's predicting stock markets, influencing hiring decisions, and even helping run court cases. But the more power we give it, the less control we have over it. And let's not forget the job market. Experts predict AI could replace 300 million jobs in the near future. Musk himself has said that AI will take all jobs eventually, but don't worry, because in his words, jobs will be optional. Cool. So AI gets smarter than us, takes all our jobs, and we just, what? Sit back and enjoy the ride? This isn't some far-off science fiction scenario anymore. AI isn't coming, it's already here. And the scary part, we don't actually know how to stop it. All these terrifying possibilities are endless. But does Musk have an underlying plan with Grok 3? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Because while Grok 3 is breaking records and shaking up the AI world, we can't ignore the fact that Musk has always had a bigger vision. And if history tells us anything, it's that he doesn't just build things for the sake of it, he builds things to dominate. Tesla changed cars, SpaceX changed space travel, and now Grok 3? This isn't just an AI model, it's a power move. Musk claims Grok 3 is different. It's designed to seek the truth. But here's the problem, who decides what's true? Since Grok is integrated into X, formerly Twitter, that means Musk has direct control over the information it prioritizes. And that raises some serious questions. Musk co-funded OpenAI, but after a messy fallout, he has built his own competitor. So, instead of stopping AI development, he's doing what Musk does best, taking control himself. Now it's Grok 3 versus ChatGPT 4. The real war isn't just about creating the best AI, it's about who controls AI. Imagine an AI that can shape conversations, moderate discussions, and influence narratives on a global scale. That's way more powerful than just answering questions. And when AI starts controlling what people see, what they read, and how they think, that's where things get intriguing. Every tech giant knows AI isn't just a tool, it's a weapon. Whoever controls AI controls information, economies, and maybe even reality itself. And let's not forget, Musk is also working on Neuralink, a brain implant that could one day connect humans directly to AI. Imagine Grok 3 not just answering your questions, but actually thinking with you. Scary, right? So is Musk protecting us from AI, or is this just another step toward his ultimate vision, a world where AI and humans merge? With AI getting smarter, controlling information, and possibly merging with our brains, what happens next? Are we heading toward an utopia or a nightmare? And where is all of this actually headed? As we step towards something much bigger, some experts are starting to wonder, is this the beginning of artificial general intelligence? Right now, AI like ChatGPT and Gemini are narrow AI. They're powerful, but they still operate within limits. AGI, on the other hand, would be able to think, learn, and problem solve just like a human, or even better. Musk himself has warned that AI could either be humanity's greatest invention or our last. Let's be real here for a second, AI isn't just a threat, it's also changing the world in ways we never thought possible. Imagine AI curing diseases, solving climate change, or automating every boring job so humans can focus on creativity and innovation. Musk himself has hinted that AI could create a world where work is optional, where humans are free to explore art, science, and philosophy without worrying about survival. Sounds like a dream, right? But there is always another side to the story. As AI gets smarter, there is a real risk of losing control. Jobs disappearing overnight, misinformation spreading at light speed, AI making decisions without human oversight, and what happens if it decides it doesn't need us anymore? The scary part, AI isn't just catching up to humans, it's already beating us at tasks we once thought were uniquely human. And if AGI emerges before we're ready, well, let's just say we might not get a second chance to hit the brakes. AI is evolving faster than anyone expected. In just a few years, we've gone from basic chatbots to models like Grok 3 that can argue, analyze, and even crack jokes. So the question is, are we moving too fast? Let us know what you think. Is AI the key to an incredible future, or are we on a path we can't control? But what if I told you that there is something far more alarming than Grok 3? If you would like to find out yourself, click on this video right here. This is definitely something you can't miss because one thing's for sure, this is just the beginning. So make sure to go ahead and watch our video. Thanks for watching.